this thing that you are seeing, this common oil filter that you are seeing, look at it. Do you know that this thing can knock your engine? Yes. Let me tell you the reason. This one is iron oil filter and this is paper oil filter. You can see the two. The two is oil filter. This paper oil filter, if you want to lose it, the mechanic that do not have the right tools to lose it cannot lose it. And if you try and say that you want to use force to lose it, you will break that thing because that thing is plastic. And this is iron. This one is so easy. And some people, they no go change them. They will tell you, say they don't change them. Let me tell you as a car owner, or you will say you the plan, may you buy a car. You see these two things where you see for my hand. If you trust your mechanic, you feel give and that your car, may you go help you service them. If you trust them. But if you not trust your mechanic, on a roadside mechanic, I beg, carry share, sit down. Just carry share, sit down. Make them change these two things for your face. Make them change them for your face. If they no change them, my brother, no grill. You they play with your engine. Make them change these two things for your face. If they don't change them, before they will change the oil. If they say, maybe they manage them first because na new oil, my brother, no grey. This thing is very cheap. It's just 3,000 naira. Make them change that before you condemn that the old engine. You will just condemn just like that. So make them change them. This thing can cause engine knock. This is my advice for you. Please take note. If you trust your mechanic, you can give him that your car, maybe you go service and you go do them. So if you no trust him, maybe na roadside or na anywhere, my brother. Okay, I don't tell you now. So follow for more updates.